There's 40 million people that depend on the Colorado River. There's less water available in the river, and we have to figure out ways to do more with less water.
This summer, with nearly $1 million in funding from the state and environmental groups, ranchers and researchers are seeing what happens when hay meadows aren't irrigated, and how much water is saved for the river under different weather conditions and with different kinds of hay.
We've spent generations learning how to irrigate these lands, and now we're intentionally not irrigating them.
Agriculture uses 80% of the water in the Colorado River. The knowledge these researchers gain could give ranchers from Arizona to California tools to help conserve their water as well.
We're just concerned that someday you might see the water parting from the agriculture. We just want to know that if something does happen, that there's a backup plan, that we don't have to dry everything up.
To find out, 9 ranch families with property along the river have coordinated their efforts. Planning, installing measuring devices, turning off head gates, and closely monitoring the wandering cattle and broken diversion structures that can skew results.
There's so many variables. Natural precipitation is a large one. Soil moisture is important.
Still, faced with yet another drought year and what could become an opportunity to earn money for sharing their water, most ranchers were willing to put in the necessary time and field work to do this.
With the scientific data, we can make decisions based on the science, not on just a gut feeling.
Ahead lies months of work and years of seeing whether the methods developed here can be used elsewhere. Still, that these ranchers, conservationists, and researchers came up with the cash and the commitment to get this project done is exciting for people who care about agriculture and the Colorado River. Jared Smith, Freshwater News, reporting for the Water Desk.